recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll continue it.
So then you show the area.
Okay, you can speak. So you can.
No, you just show it. Now what will I speak? So this is the location of the Kerala project. The idea. You can show the name of the house.
Yeah. You can say from there it's coming. You are entering from there.
No, then they can see. All that will be.
Okay, I'm just going to the name of the house.
Took like 1 second. The recording is only for 19 minutes.
90.
19.
Okay.
Should be enough. This is the entrance. You have the garage there. You can see it. And you have one small little pond here. You have a small little nice beautiful pond here. A lot of fishes inside. The entrance.
So 1925 construction.
1925.
Yeah.
So this has been reconstructed, and then you have a small sitting area here made of stone. My father's creation from magazines. You have a parapet area, and you have a dog. Come here.
He's taken my pant.
And he's gone. Let it be.
Hey, that's your.
Okay, come back. Only let on the video. What he's left there, we'll take it later.
No, he'll lift it up. It's part of the video. ആരുടെ പട്ടിയാണ്?
Rest studio fine. Come. So entrance, you also have a small entrance to the garage.
Yeah.
Want to show the garage?
Yeah. हाँ करचे.
Show the garage.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून. अच्छा हो गया आपने फोन
This is the garage area.
वो विश्वजीत का भी टिकट वो.
Amma? Come, Achan is gone on the phone now. Achan will be yelling. Take over the video.
विश्वजीत का
खर्चे.
कैंसिल करो.
This is my mother. Say hi.
नो, मेरा और मिसेस का रखने
Already recording.
नहीं, मेरा और मिसेस का भी कैंसिल किया ना.
Don't shout, yaar. Okay.
हाँ, तो all return tickets you cancel now.
So you have the entrance here.
या विश्वजीत का भी नहीं रखने का.
So this is the main hall area.
हाँ, उसमें
You have a television here, and then you also have exit from there. Then this is the first bedroom, according to the drawing. You can see all the windows are netted there and there, and then you have one bed here, and then you can put a double bed here as well.
Is it a door?
And there's a separate door. You can see this door goes to the outside.
It must be this thing now, no? But you,
So this door goes to the outside.
just lock there.
So you can. So somebody wants to get some space outside, they do not disturb anyone else. Then you have a small closet area, changing room also, the cupboard, and you have a nice beautiful bathroom. Show the bathroom inside. It's got a shower, geyser. It's got enough space. Come in there. So you have a nice small little closet here, no? To put your
Cupboard
and all, to put your small things. And you have
You have to buy some tables.
is the dining area. It can also be, if you make it into a hostel or something, this can be a common room, which can be combined. It's combined with the hall, and then you have a nice kitchen. And this is our maid baby, who's good at cooking.
Fish here.
No, yes. So the entire kitchen space can be used. Again, a common area, you can put chairs here and people can sit on top here and sit here and eat. Also, you have a washing machine, so laundry can be done here.
And there's a separate door outside.
Yeah, this is the exit. This is the back side of the house. Come.
It can be accessed from all the rooms.
Yeah, this place can be accessed from all the rooms. So every room has a separate exit. To the outside.
You put the clothes out for drying.
And then you can see a small little pond there. So you can also do fishing. There are a lot of fishes inside, and it's also a nice area. And in case we convert this area, all this place can be cleared up. Then you can have a nice sit out here.
Yeah, it will be cleared up in course of time.
Yeah.
Then we have a lot of nutmeg trees around,
Yeah,
mangosteen, coconut trees, pepper, mangoes.
But those houses there, so the camera there, those houses we cannot use.
No, that is a car shed which will be demolished now.
Yeah, but that's not ours. No,
No,
that we cannot touch.
Mm.
But this area to the right here,
Yeah.
this area we can use completely. Also, you have a sit out here, made of stone, as we saw the earlier one. And this area we can, if you want to put a greenhouse here or something, you can put a greenhouse here, or you can put a small little house here. Have a nice sit out, just a top and a roof, you know.
Shack, I mean.
Like a shack, yeah.
You can, no, what's it called? Tent, no?
Yeah, like a small little big tent. Yeah, it's a good idea. A big tent, transparent on the sides.
Yeah.
You can have a sit out, sitting inside, and then like a small cafe or something.
Then we have a well there.
We also have a well. So, but we'll continue from the inside. So we'll go back where we came from.
You switch it up?
No, continue. See this, all this video I can edit later.
Yeah, okay.
So we return to the kitchen from where we came. So again the hall. Then we go
There's
to
a
the
small
other
prayer
part.
area.
The small prayer area, my mom's prayer. Then we enter the main. We enter the bedroom area. So before you, there's a washroom here for people who want to wash their hands before eating. Then you have.
Attached to the dining area.
Yeah, it's attached to the dining area. Then you have the second bedroom. This is the second bigger bedroom. Also an exit you can see there to the outside, the window, and you have a lot of closet space. Its own cupboard if people want to keep stuff. Okay, and then you have
Common toilet for both. One toilet.
no, it's toilet for each. No, this is the toilet. Yeah, this was the toilet. Yeah, right. Also with shower, geyser, everything. And you have the third bedroom space with a closet space, changing room like a first bedroom, and then with a small little bathroom. Okay. Then between the second bedroom and the third bedroom, you have a small connecting room.
Which can be made into a small bedroom.
Which can be made into a small bedroom, an additional bedroom, which has its own closet space but no attached bathroom. And also we can use it for something else, an activity room or just ironing room or sit out. And this
And we have these two we have a thing that goes into the
roof. Yeah, and then this is the connection to the other bedroom. So families want to live, then they can have their big bedroom, so 2 children and 2 kids, this thing. And then it goes to the exit that we saw earlier, into the setup. Now depending upon how you want to do the place and everything, we can convert it,
according
get
to
the
your
sites
requirement.
done, according to the requirement and everything. So I think once, if she can come here, and also have a guess of what can be done. And because if we want to make this work, we also have to invest money in it and make it work. Because even if it doesn't work out.
Put it up.
Okay. So now we go to the other house.
Wait.
Belongs to my father's sister.
No, this is the house which belongs to the father's sister, yeah?
My father's sister.
Okay, okay. This is a mangosteen.
Yeah, mangosteen tree. You will see a lot of different types of trees.
Fruit trees.
It's only 30 seconds away. As you can see, a lot of coconut trees, as normal in Kerala. This is the back side of the house, a small little well.
We'll go till the gate and come from there.
The entrance. Done. This is a little bit bigger than the other house. So then the top. There's a room on the top as well.
Yeah, I showed that.
It can be accessed from the side. It's got its own bathroom and attached bathroom and everything. So this is a separate entrance.
Yeah.
So I'll take it. You open, I'll take it. Then you do the shocking. Huh. No light?
Light in there.
Huh. This is the hall. It's a nice little swing. This is one bedroom. There's a light.
For 3 beds.
There's a light switch.
There only.
Huh. So you can see one. Explain it.
Yeah.
This is the 3 bedroom
With the bathroom.
with an attached bathroom. Did she do the bathroom or no? Ah, yeah. It's an old style bathroom, but it's got a geyser, a swing. This is the second bedroom. It's got a separate exit. Lights.
Got a big sit out.
Got an it's air conditioned, and it's got a. It's locked from outside, I think. It's got its own sit out, also attached bathroom. Very nice big sit out.
That bedroom.
And the dining room.
Got an 8-seater table.
This is the third bedroom, also air conditioned. It's a very nice bedroom, also attached bathroom.
Show the ceiling.
Ah, beautiful ceilings, no light. As you can see, it's a nice wooden ceiling. This is an extra room with a washing machine and can be used in spare.
The kitchen.
Kitchen space. Light. And some storeroom and all. This can also be used in addition to the other one. Combined homestay.
Go up. Please open the door.
No, don't open the top.
She's gone up.
Arey, no.
Go up by the stairs. You take that.
This is the top room with attached bathroom. This is non-AC. Nutmeg. This is the outside sit out, which connects you to the other room. So they have a nice little pond here. Shit.
Something fell down just now.
Some shit here, yeah.
What shit?
Cow dung covered.
Ah, cow dung.
Shit.
You stand it.
Couldn't see